Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this image and it's really clear. And they say it traces good. You can see it's a bitmap right now. But there's some matter in it they can't get rid of. And they gave me a compliment and stated they did exactly everything I do. So I'm going to go to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. And this is what they tell me they did. And then after it finishes, they go right here and go remove color from entire image. And they kind of go like, well, it's not all gone. And at first I didn't see it. But when we look a little closer, there's some, well, we'll just see there's some gray matter. Instead of white, there's gray, because then the best way to find that kind of stuff is to take a rectangle and make it yellow, go to object, order back a page, and it kind of makes that pop out because it's not transparent. So the best way to do that, this item is, and for the one I'm doing it for, I reduced it in size quite a bit. It's 3 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4. And I'm going to grab the black or the item. I'm going to go up to object, group, and ungroup it. And I'm going to grab that head. I'm going to nudge it over. You see, it left some stuff, but that's fine. It left more than the gray matter, but you can barely see the gray matter. So some of these parts are important and some of them aren't. Like that right there, let's go right here and move it over, and it's part of this flower. Pretty important. Now I'm going to take away the box for a second so I can grab this stuff easier. And I'm just going to grab all this black stuff. And so there's 2 things you could do. All this gray could be important in a way. Let's tell you what, let's make this one blue and move it over. Not important at all. It's a piece of trash. And I kind of suspected, why was it? So you could take, I'm trying to get it where you could see I'm not going to say it's important, but it's adding to the flower. So if you got to a point, I mean, some of this stuff, see how I'm going to go here and just delete this stuff. I'm going to delete some of this yellow. You know what? Bounding box would help in this case, or not bounding box. Make it yellow. Object, order back a page. And I'm going to look at each one of these. Whoop, don't need that. I'm going to look at each one of these and see, like right there, that's gray. But could it, I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard. Could it be an important part? There's my rectangle. I think it was right there. Let's make it red, and let's move it over. Maybe not an important part at all, because it kind of, doesn't need to be there. Now, you could take that, if you're just going to engrave it, and make it black. Well, I took it away. Make it black, and it'll fill that in. So some of these, like, look at all the trash up here that I guarantee isn't needed. See, they're filling in those wings, so we don't need those at all. Now these, let me go ahead and take away, because I got rid of all the, I'm going to make them red just to see if we need them. And they're either important or not, like that one's not. So I'm going to delete them and see what happens. Now, it would be neat to have those things back, but I don't need that one. So I'm going to take all these and make them black and move them over, and they add to the flower. Now, we've gotten rid of all the gray matter, or should have. And if you wanted to, it's a great image. I like it. I might even, one advantage I've got people sending me stuff is I get to use where I don't know where that one little bad, it's not really a bad spot, but that, if you remember that right there. So I might even take that and delete it. So I have to select it all and delete it. And I can correct that by taking this would almost be easier when there's no fill, and just move this up here, connect those two nodes, maybe take my virtual segment delete key and delete that set of lines, and take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in. So it got rid of that bad spot. That's a really nice image. I mean, it's really nice, sharp, clean vector. That's one of the best hummingbirds I've seen. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.